Hello everyone, today I am going to do the question set 5. Okay, first we will read the question and identify the reality. The board of directors of New Vision Academy has decided to computerize the information of all the teachers in the education institution. The software is being developed by Tharaka Software Solutions. Assume that you are working as a senior software engineer in this company and your team are responsible for creating the database of the software. Create the database according to the instruction given you as follows. It means they are telling that assume we as a software engineer and they had given the responsibility of creating the database for us. So the first question is create a database called New Vision Academy to store teachers there. It means they are first saying that to create a database called New Vision Academy to store teachers data. So I'm using Heidi for this activity. So I right click on this and create new database, and I create the database for New Vision Academy. New Vision Academy. So I click on OK. So the database has been created in New Vision Academy. Then I will create the teacher table. The software has to be called teacher to show teachers data. Follow the instructions given to create it. So there is a table called teacher. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 columns, and all the data types are watcher and the links are given below. So I will create the database. Sorry, the table. I will create the teacher table first. So I am going to create the table first by right click on New Vision Academy. I will create the table first. So first I am going to create the table called teacher table. So I am giving a name called teacher for the table, and I am going to add the column. The first column is teacher registration number. Teacher registration number is the first column. I think yes, teacher registration number is the first column. The data type is varchar. The data type is varchar. The length is 10. The next column is first name. Data type is varchar. Length is 45. So the next column is last name, varchar, length is 45. The next column is gender. Data type is varchar, length is 10. The next column is, I think the next column is contact number, something like that. Contact number, then email. Contact number. Data type is varchar, the length is 10. So I am not going to change the length. The final one is email. Data type is varchar, I think 50. It will be 50. I think yes, email should be 50. Yes. Okay. The table code teach has been successfully created. So I am going to save this. So we can see that the table has been successfully created. So we'll go to the next question. The next question is enter in the data shown in the table below in the database table you have set up above. Do not use the graphical method when entering data. All data must be entered from query statement. So they are telling that don't insert the data in manual form. So like the manual form is like this. By clicking on this, we can add columns like this. We can add column in manually. Rows. We can add rows manually like this by clicking on add button. So But this is not the way we have to add data into the table. We have to use query statement in order to add data into the table. So I will show you by adding data into the table. So first I will add the first data row, text number 1, Kamara Malva, mail, contact number, Gmail. This is the first data set we have to enter into the table, but we have to enter this data in query format. So first I'm going to insert this row. I'm going to show the first how we are going to enter the data into the table using query format, but I am only showing you how to enter data using query formats for only one row. The other rows will be added fast forwardly. So I am going to show by entering the data into the table using query statement. Okay, I will now write the query statement for this row, the first row. So I will take the first row. There are a number of data, mail, kumar@gmail.com. So I am going to enter the first data row, but I am only entering the first data row. I will make the other rows available in the table in fast forward. So I am going to insert the query for the first row. So I will write the insert query to enter data to the first row. Insert into new vision academy teacher, and we write and I will enter the column names. First column name is teacher, registration number. The next column is first name. Next column is last name. Last name, first name, last name. The next column is gender. The next column is contact number. Yes, the contact number. The next column is email. Yes, this is the last column. Email is the last column. So I have successfully entered the column names. Then remember, when we inserting queries, we have to clearly mention the details, so it will display many errors. When you are adding queries, we have to always write the database name as well as the teacher relevant to the data we are going to enter. So however, when we will mention the relevant data now, that way I want to enter. When entering data, the data should be mentioned in single quotation. So I will enter the relevant data TEC 001, double quotation, Kumara, then comma, last name is Mallava, Malla, Kumara, Malla. Then the gender is male. Male is gender. Again, comma. Contact number. I'm going to copy and paste this because it's easy for me for copy and paste is easier than typing for me, so I will copy and paste this. So comma, again the last data is email is kumara gmail.com is the last one. So this is the query statement. We have entered the query statement successfully. So now we have to run this query statement. We can run the query statement by clicking this triangle icon. So query statement has been successfully ran. So we can check whether the data has entered into the table successfully by going into table. I will right click on it, refresh. Nice. The data has been successfully entered into table. So we can enter all the data in the table using this query statement. So this is the insert query. So I think you will get some bit of knowledge by watching this. So thank you for watching this. We will meet from question set 6. Thank you.